Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to accelerate, shifting harshly, or staying stuck in the wrong gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0731, Gear 1 incorrect ratio, your transmission is having trouble engaging first gear properly. In this video I'll explain what P0731 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0731? The P0731 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an incorrect gear ratio in first gear. This can cause poor acceleration, transmission slipping, or even prevent your car from moving at all. Common symptoms of P0731: delayed or harsh shifting into first gear, transmission slipping when accelerating, poor fuel efficiency and reduced performance. Check engine light on limp mode activation, restricted power and speed. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components causing the problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0731, check these key components. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case, near the input shaft or bell housing. Function, measures the speed of the transmission input shaft and sends data to the PCM. Transmission output, speed sensor, OSS sensor. Location, near the transmission output shaft, usually at the end of the transmission housing. Function, tracks vehicle speed and helps calculate gear ratios. Shift solenoids, specifically for first gear engagement. Location, inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body. Function, controls the flow of transmission fluid to engage first gear. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, under the hood, typically near the firewall or battery. Function, regulates shifting based on sensor inputs. Transmission fluid and valve body location, inside the transmission pan under the vehicle. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the ISS sensor, OSS sensor, shift solenoids and PCM. Function, transmits crucial speed data. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0731: faulty transmission input speed sensor, ISS, sends incorrect input speed data. 2. Defective transmission output speed sensor, OSS. PCM miscalculates gear ratios. 3. Faulty first gear shift solenoid, prevents proper engagement of first gear. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid, contaminated or low fluid disrupts gear engagement. 5. Worn or damaged transmission components, faulty clutch packs, bands, or torque converter. 6. PCM or TCM malfunction, incorrect gear ratio calculations due to a faulty module. 7. Broken or corroded wiring. Damaged wiring disrupts sensor communication. How to fix P0731? Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low or dirty, replace it with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the ISS and OSS sensors. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check sensor readings. If faulty, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or frayed wires. Step 5. Check the shift solenoids. If the first gear solenoid is bad, replace it. Step 6. Inspect the valve body and transmission internals. If the clutch packs or bands are worn, transmission rebuild may be needed. Step 7. Reprogram or replace PCM/TCM. If all else fails, PCM reprogramming or replacement might be needed. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor shifting performance. Ignoring P0731 can lead to serious transmission damage and expensive repairs. Fixing this issue early ensures a smoother and safer drive. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0718. Input turbine speed sensor circuit intermittent P0719. Brake switch, B circuit low like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.